Hey, amazing teachers! We all know that writing can feel daunting for students, especially when they think it has to be perfect. But what if I told you there's a quick, simple way to get your students writing fluently without the stress? Enter the 5-minute spontaneous writing prompt, a game changer for boosting proficiency while keeping things fun and low pressure. For example, you could ask your students to write about what they did last weekend using 5 full sentences. The key? No dictionaries, no prep, and no edits. Just let the words flow. This approach not only gets students writing, but also helps them embrace mistakes as part of the learning process. And here's a pro tip. Set a timer for exactly 5 minutes and make it a routine in your classroom. Choose prompts that are relatable and easy to answer. For example, if you could travel anywhere, where would you go and why? Or what's your favorite food and how is it prepared? Afterward, have them share their answers with a partner or small group. This creates natural accountability and a chance to build confidence. You'll be amazed at how much progress they'll make with just 5 minutes a day. Want even more practical strategies like this? Don't miss our Comprehended 2025 conference. It's packed with CI-based sessions and tips you can implement immediately. Head over to mm.us/conference and snag your spot today. Let's make writing and teaching simpler, more effective, and a lot more fun.